Good morning, students. Now let us some solution we have to do in this video. We have to remember this integer rule: minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus, plus plus plus. Here I am taking one example. How can you solve without using number line your integer? Without using number line integer. Here is your digit 1 plus minus 6 minus minus 3 minus 7. This is your question, suppose that. Now what is the process? We are going step by step. When you will see together sign, convert into one sign. Together sign means like that, minus minus. If you will see near to another one sign like that, you have to convert into one sign. This is the first step. Second step, first we have to complete our first step. Here we are, here in this one, where is the together one sign, here and here. You have to make a box with a pencil. Here is also sign and here is also sign. Again you have to make this box. Now what you have to do? 1, write remain same, which one is the same digit, you have to write it same. Then after plus minus means minus. Then next one digit 6, here minus minus plus, so you have to convert in one sign and then after write here 7. Second step, first solve 2 digit. First solve first 2 digit. 2 digit means this first is and this second. You have to solve it. Not try to solve together all digit. You have to step by step follow it. Now this one, and how can you solve it? Look at this one is your plus 1 and this 6 is your minus. So you have to write down their integer sign. Here 1 integer sign is plus and 6 integer sign is minus. So plus minus, it means what operation you are taking? Plus minus means minus. You are doing minus in between of them. If you have done minus, then the result is how can you subtract? Same as subtract bigger one smaller. You have to subtract, जैसे तुम subtract करते वैसे करो, बड़े में से छोटे को, bigger from bigger to smaller. If you have subtracted 6 minus 1, then you will get here 5. Now third step, after solution see previous one digit. After solution see previous one digit bigger sign. After solution see bigger digit sign. What is the bigger digit sign? In between you have to solve this 2 term only, and which one is a bigger digit? 6, and what is the sign is 6 minus. So you have to put in your answer also this minus symbol. Next step, which one you have not solved? This plus 7, so you have to write here plus 7. Same step again we have to revise it. This 5 is your negative 1, this 7 is your plus. So minus plus minus. Again you have to subtract both the number. If you have to subtract from bigger, I already told you the subtraction you are doing, so you can subtract from bigger to smaller. If you are subtracting 7 minus 5, then you will get here 2. And which one is it? Now after solution, don't forget it, third step. After solution see bigger one digit. Bigger digit is your 7 and 7 sign is your plus. So then in answer is always come plus. Understand? If you do practice more questions, then it will be easy. Second, I am solving one more. This example I am telling to you, this is not in your exercise, but here I am telling you concept that will be easy to solve your exercise questions. Suppose this kind of the question, if you will see, minus 3 plus minus 8 minus minus 7. So once again, what is the first step? together sign convert into one sign. Here only the sign, then after digit, then again sign. Sign, again sign, it means you have to make box here. Sign, again sign, you have to make box here. Now minus 3 as it is you have to write, plus minus, minus. Then after digit 8, minus minus, plus, then 7. Solve first two digit. So you have to put sign first integer, this is the minus, and 3, this is the, and here this 8 is also minus. Then minus minus, plus, what operation you are taking in between of them? Plus. So plus means 8 plus 3. What is the 8 plus 3? 9, 10, 11. So you have to write here 11. Sorry, 11. Now after solving, see bigger one digit. What is the bigger digit? 8, and the 8 sign is your negative. So you have to put sign in answer also your negative sign. Remaining one digit is your plus 7. Go through step by step. It will not get any difficulty. Again put sign below of their digit. This 11 is your negative integer, this 7 is your positive integer. Plus minus, minus. So you have to do minus in between of them. If you have to do minus, then you will get 4. And bigger one digit is your negative. So you have to put sign also in your answer negative. This is the answer is your minus 4. Now look at our exercise. Remember this step by step and do all remaining questions in your book. Find the solution of the following without using number line. How can you solve it? Here I am solving one questions. Question number 3. First, 22 plus minus 10. So when you will see together sign, convert into one sign. Together sign plus, then 22 plus minus. Here the together sign, make a box in between of them. Plus 22, it means 22, plus minus, minus, then 10. 22 minus 10, it means 2, 1, 12. Now bigger one digit is your 22 and the 22 sign is your positive. So then your answer will always come in positive. Understand? Now next one. See, I am explaining you. Minus 64 plus 12. See, minus 64 as it is. This plus means plus 12. Together sign, convert into one sign, plus 12. After that you have to write below their sign. This 64 is your negative and this 12 is your positive. So minus plus means what the operation you are taking? Minus plus minus. So you have to do minus both the digit. If you have to done minus, then you will get 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 1, 5. And the bigger one digit is 64 and 64 sign is your negative. Then in answer also negative. Now here I am giving some questions. You have to do practice these questions. As a homework you have to do. You can understand this quiz time, quiz question, whatever you can understand, you have to solve in your copy also these questions. Minus 3 plus minus 4 plus 6. Second questions, minus 2 plus minus 1 minus 3. These two questions you have to solve in your copy also and give the answer in comment box also. Now question number 5 I am explaining you. Find the sum of. Find the sum of. First 200 comma minus 507 comma minus 87. How can you do sum of this number? You have to write 200, remove your comma and put here the plus sign. And negative integer always put in bracket. Negative integer whenever you will see in you can see in your book also. Negative integer you always put negative sign also. Plus and then minus 87. Now first step, to get the sign, find it and make a box and convert into one sign. Like that. Plus minus minus, plus minus minus. I solve it directly and writing here. Now after first two digit you have to solve. This 200 is your positive and this is your negative. And plus minus means minus. 507 minus 200. 507 minus 200. 703. So you have to write here 307. Which one is your bigger one digit? This one. Then sign is your negative. Then in answer always come negative sign. Then remaining digit is your minus 87. Same process, below the digit write their sign. This one digit is minus, this one digit is also minus. Minus minus means plus. You have to operate plus in the both one. If you will operate plus one, 307 plus 87, 14193, 394. Here I am writing the answer 394. Bigger one digit 307 and you have to put the sign your negative. And remaining question you have to do this one. Any problem you can ask to me. Question number 5 as a homework you have to do, and this question number 3 in question, exercise 6.2 sorry. And you can solve also this, fill in the blanks. The temperature of an object minus 3 degrees Celsius, then it is rose by 5 degree. Now it is rose means increase. Increase means then you will, this 5 is your plus 5. So you have to solve it, this plus 5 and minus 3. How can you solve it? 5 plus 5 minus 3. So then your answer will come 2 degree centigrade. 5 minus 3, 2. Then it will be rose it 2 degree Celsius. Jimmy had 500 and his father gave him 400. Jimmy already had 500. Then after father gave him 400, the total money Jimmy had 900. He bought a cricket kit worth 650. Now he has, if you purchase cricket kit, then you have to subtract this 650. Then you will get here 0, 5 and here 8. 8 minus 6, 2. Then your answer is here 250. Halima had withdrawn 7,000 from her bank, deposited 8,000 the next day. He withdrew 7,000 from her bank and then after next day deposited 8,000. The balance in her account is, what is the balance in her account is? If you subtract 8,000 minus 7,000, then you will get 1,000. Why we have to subtract it here? Because हालिमा ने 7,000 निकाले थे और उसने डिपॉजिट क्या कराए थे 8,000. जब 8,000 में से 7,000 निकल गए तो इट रिमेनिंग 1,000 रुपीज़ in her account.